Hi, Crafty Angels, Vanessa from Angel Rose Designs, and today is Thursday, December 19th, 2019. This video won't go out to January 2nd because my channel is on sleep mode for the rest of 2019. And this package I received in the mail today is from Ms Jacqueline Haley. And I'm not going to show no addresses, so I'm going to open this off camera. It came in the mail today, and we're going to pop it open and see what it is. I'm opening it, guys. Give me a few. Sorry about the big red shirt, but I have to change my nipping tool. And if y'all stay after the video is over, there will be photos at the end. I want to welcome you all back to my channel and wish you all a happy new year 2020. And here we go with the first package. The first item in the box, is this cute little journal. She has some red and white ribbon and some words that say Mary Mary on the top, I think. Yep, very merry. It says very merry on top. And she has it tied with this some string or twine. I'm not sure. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty. She has some fabric here with some little roses here. Some white lace going all the way around. Or no, baby blue, I'm sorry. It's baby blue going all the way around. Some red mesh bling. And then, oh, I love this picture. It's a Christmas picture. And she's got some seam binding here with a gold bling. Let's open the ends. Oh my goodness. We have a sticker here. Oh, it looks like it's made with cardstock. We have a sticker that says ho 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 here. I like what she did with the snowflake. She's got part on the top and part on the bottom with Santa Claus here. And some rhinestones. That's a baby blue. And she has some more mesh bling going all around. And then here she has a flower here with the bling, floral bling in the middle is what I call it. Okay. And this flower, I'm not sure. It looks like it's I don't know what kind of fabric it is. Maybe Miss Jackie can say in the comment section. And she's got another flower here that looks like it came off of like a bouquet of flowers. She's got the same one here with the same bling in the middle. She's got some music paper in the bottom with a harp with some flowers in the background. This is a nice picture back here. It says joy to the world. And she's got some little patchwork up here with some gold trim here and all the way around the pages. This is awesome. And she's got some red lace around there. Oh, what? Oh, goodness gracious. And then here, we're going to go with, she's got some red dangle trim. Oh, I see some sari. Here's a blue satin ribbon with some gold bling here. And she's got some red trim around here. Some of that same taupe seam binding as she has on the spine. And she has some green mesh bling with a door with the husband and, I guess it's a husband and wife standing at the door. And here we have a dream catcher. Oh my goodness. A dream catcher die. Thank you so much for that. And here's some paper for me to journal how my Christmas goes. And oh, here's a little pocket. Cool beans. And here she has slightly turned some music paper, which she has torn the edges, which is perfect. And is the song Silent Night with some gold trim here, some gold trim there, and a berry trim with a flower. And here we go here. She's got some nice trim in the back with some sequins on it. And a little notepad here. Cool beans. I know what I can use that for. Some satin ribbon here. And she's got a little cute little stocking that has some what I call little dashes on it with some holly on. Well, yeah, some holly. Here's some more pages for me to journal. And on the back, she has red lace again with charming Chloe song here, music paper with a poinsettia here and the leaves and some gold mesh all the way around. And she really offset this really perfectly. And this looks like handmade paper. I think it is. Either that or it's mulberry paper. So Ms. Jackie can say when she views the video. She's got some tiny little trim going around. And she's got the green mesh bling again. And then Happy Holiday sticker with these gold and bells and holly leaves. This is gorgeous, Ms. Jackie. Thank you so much. I will enjoy writing about my holidays on this holiday book. Thank you so much. Well, I'll tie it later. And then, oh, I see an envelope. Let's open this. And I have to keep track of my time, guys. I'm opening it. I don't want to rip anything on the inside. Just in case. We never know. And here, oh my goodness. Some unicorn paper. What's inside? Oh, look how cute. Some embellishments she made for me. Here's paper clip with some polka dotted fabric and some gingham fabric. I can use that in my planner. This little polka dotted dress is so cute. And then she's got some more embellishments that I could use to make my own paper clips here. So cute. This is precious. My granddaughter sees this, she's gonna want it for her doll. Then she has some stuff wrapped. Now, let's see. I want to make sure I open them right, so we're gonna look to see if she numbered these, and I don't see no numbers. So we're gonna go with gift number 1. And we're gonna just slide this off. And she has purple and red ribbon to tie it closed. I love this paper. I'm going to save that. I'm going to save the paper. I got an idea for it. You know, crafters, we always have ideas for everything that we get. Uh-oh. I see a book. No, Miss Jackie. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much. I'm gonna try not to cry, guys. Look at that. Now I can budget plan. Oh yeah, and it's got a pen already in it. Oh my God, look at that. Things to do, expenses, notes, and here's the calendar. Oh God. And it's all undated. Oh my God, Miss Jackie, you didn't have to do this. Miss Jackie, you really didn't have to do this. This is really, really pretty. Thank you so much for this. It is gorgeous, and it is leather. Last but not least, we have this one, and again, it's wrapped in purple ribbon. And let's see what it is. Let's see what this is. It's a big one. And again, some cool papers. Oh my, no way. This is drop dead gorgeous. It is a tote bag, guys. Oh, it feels quilted. Here's a pocket on the front. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. No. And here's a scarf she made. Oh my God. Oh, and it's so soft. Got it just in time for winter. And she's got some sari. It looks like sari ribbons down here. Oh my God. And she made this. Oh my goodness. Y'all can see my face right now. I am so surprised with all this. And you didn't really have to do this, Miss Jackie. But if y'all stay tuned to the end, I thank you very much for this surprise. And I told you not to send me anything, and you didn't listen. But I am happy about it. I am so happy that I have it. And I will wear it proudly. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And as I always say, see y'all in the next video. And on the flip side, be kind, be good, Happy New Year, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye for now.